Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the ear tips and earpieces so you know what to replace or clean. Remove the silicone tip gently. If it tears or won't seat, replace it. Once removed, use a soft brush and 70% isopropyl on a cloth to lift oils and earwax from the nozzle. This prevents poor fit or audio loss. Make sure the nozzle's mesh isn't pushed in. Keep replacement tips ready and match size markings before you continue. Once done cleaning, focus on the nozzle and tip interface because a poor seal causes base loss and dropouts. Brush the mesh away from the center and dab stubborn grime with a barely dampened cloth. Let parts dry. When installing a new tip, align the internal opening with the nozzle and press until you feel a click. This secures the locking tab. Make sure you install correct left and right sizes and then pair them briefly to check balance and seal. You finish by verifying sound and fit because that confirms success. Play a familiar track and listen for bass and clarity. If it's dull, try a different tip size or reseat the tip. If muffling persists despite clean mesh and correct tips, the driver or internal port may be damaged and needs professional repair. If connectivity or sensors misbehave, reset your AirPods and confirm firmware and battery health. These steps resolve most remaining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.